Ensuring open communication, showing appreciation, and engaging in activities you both enjoy are key ways to contribute to your partner's happiness. Understanding their needs and being supportive also play vital roles in fostering a happy relationship. Making your partner happy involves a combination of understanding, communication, and thoughtful actions. Pay attention to your partner's thoughts and feelings. Share your thoughts, desires, and concerns openly. Spend quality time engaging in activities you both enjoy. So, these are some questions you might have in your mind. How can I improve communication with my partner? Improving communication with your partner involves both active listening and expressing yourself effectively. Here are some tips to enhance communication in your relationship. Avoid blame. Discuss issues without assigning blame, focusing on finding solutions. Choose the right time. Discuss important matters when you both can focus and are not rushed. Avoid discussing sensitive topics when emotions are high. Consider professional help. If communication challenges persist, seeking the guidance of a couples counselor or attending communication workshops can be beneficial. Another important question: what qualities should I look for in a potential life partner? Choosing a life partner is a significant decision. While individual preferences vary, here are some qualities that many people value in a potential life partner: compatibility. Shared values, beliefs, and life goals contribute to long-term compatibility. Trustworthiness. Trust forms the foundation of a strong and lasting connection. Adaptability. Flexibility and the ability to adapt to changing circumstances contribute to relational resilience. Another very asked question: how can we support each other's personal growth and development? Supporting each other's personal growth and development is a key aspect of a healthy and thriving relationship. Set individual goals. Help each other identify and achieve personal goals, whether they are career related, educational, or personal achievements. Prioritize self-care. Encourage each other to prioritize self-care, including mental and physical well-being. How do you envision building and maintaining trust in our relationship? Important question. Building and maintaining trust in a relationship is essential for its health and longevity. Accountability. Take responsibility for mistakes and address them proactively, showing a commitment to accountability. Counseling or therapy. Consider couples counseling or therapy if trusted issues arise, as a professional can provide guidance and support. And one more, last but very most important question: are there ways we can collaborate to make achieving our goals more feasible? Absolutely. Collaborating to achieve goals as a team can strengthen your relationship and increase the likelihood of success. Break goals into steps. Break down larger goals into smaller, manageable steps to make progress more achievable. Identify individual strengths. Recognize each other's strengths and assign tasks based on individual skills and capabilities. So these were some highlighted issues and their solutions I have talked with you people. Tell me in the comment section if there is any more in your mind. Thank you so much.